Guess what we're making? Indomie. Have my pan. Duh. Be mixing it with a fork. Duh. And it has to be Hello Kitty. Like, I'm a Hello Kitty girl. What can I say? Yapping. Let's just get started. So that's just loading up. Oh, it's loading already. I was about to chop on this fork. Oh my god. She's serving. Yeah, she's cooking. Let's do more Indomies. Bro. I'm not wasting a single visit. She's really cooking. She's almost ready. She's so creamy. Yes, do what I just said and you'll get a creamy pastry. Like, what do you want more than that? I think it's done. You know what time it is. You definitely know. Girl, she's way more than done. Much better. So that was it. Here's how you make this cheesy, creamy Indomie. I got some Sprite and a water bottle. Stay hydrated. Bye. Peace.
Subscribe to my channel.